Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a frame like this. This is the final result. At the end of this video you will be able to create these frames yourself. Frame number 1, frame number 2, frame number 3, frame number 4, frame number 5 and frame number 6. Let's start. File, open one picture, unlock this by double clicking here, select OK, add layer mask by clicking here, press B from the keyboard to select brush or come here and select brush tool, select this, select here and select basic brushes from here. Select any brush from here by pressing shift, make a frame like this. Click here and this time select special effect brushes. Select OK. Select this one. You can also bring some other special effect brushes by downloading them. Press shift and make your frame here. Press Ctrl I from the keyboard to inverse this. File, open. Now bring any other picture. Press Ctrl A from the keyboard or come to select and click here all. Edit, copy, come here, press Ctrl V here. Bring this layer here. And if you want to change the color of your frame, press Ctrl U from the keyboard, select colorize and you can change the color from here. You can change the saturation from here. Select OK. If you want to change the color of the picture, press Ctrl U, select colorize and you can change the color of picture from here. Select OK. Ctrl Z. If you want to bring some other changes to your frame, right click on this layer, select blending options, select drop shadow, inner shadow, outer glow, inner glow, bevel and emboss, contour, texture, color overlay, gradient. You can bring other effects as well. Different presets are here. Select the one that you like and then select OK. If you don't want this, select this. You can also bring pattern overlay, a stroke, anything that you like and then select OK. If you want to bring any other picture here, it is very simple. Press Ctrl O from the keyboard or file open and bring any other picture here now, such as this one. Press Ctrl A from the keyboard, Ctrl C and paste it here, Ctrl V. Bring this layer here and now this is your picture. If you want to change the color of the picture, press Ctrl U and select colorize and change the color of picture from here like this.